Hello everyone, good evening. I am Ria Francis. We Advise is back with another live session, and today we are going to discuss about the topic why we study in Dubai. Dubai, obviously, it's famous for its buildings, modern Arab architecture, clean sandy beaches, and clean blue-green waters. It is one of the 7 emirates of the United Arab Emirates, and over the past decades has developed itself into one of the most prominent education hub. Since the last 20 years, the quantity of the faculties and the universities in Dubai has raised considerably. Students have a good sort of study programs to settle down to. Several training institutes offer professional courses and training programs in various fields ranging from academic, technical and professional degree programs in various disciplines, thus helping students to prepare themselves for overall development in any field they opt for. Which is just like Dubai, it's for Indian students like another home country. There are more than 25 international branch campuses in Dubai for the international students, representing 13 different national curriculums of PG and UG courses offered through Education Hub in Dubai. Time duration for the part-time work for international students is 20 hours per week in free zone areas. Dubai economy has been growth at very faster rate. Due to quite fair education policies of Dubai, education is comparatively in Dubai is cheaper rate. And some of the universities, institutes in Dubai offers evening classes to the students so that students can work from 8 to 4 and they can earn much. Let's see what are the advantages and the benefits of studying in Dubai. Dubai, one of the best places to study with welcoming international students, and being situated in Dubai Knowledge Village helps students of all culture to get well and work in plain harmony. We can even get, the students can even get the IELTS and TOEFL waivers. No issues in gaps. After completion of graduations, students can receive a tax-free salary too. And it offers, Dubai offers a reasonable place for education too. UK, Australia, USA universities have their campuses in Dubai. Students can transfer their studies to this parent campus also. Most of the universities also provide accommodation. Let's talk about the scholarships and bursaries. Universities like University of Wollongong in Dubai, which is an Australia-based university, and Moordy's University is also offers the scholarships to international students. Now let's see what are the studies in Dubai for Indian students. Usually ranges below the top popular courses. First one is MBA. Another we can go for engineering, obviously the tourism and hospitality groups, architecture, aviation and design courses. Next, regarding the education group, for the undergraduation education cost, for the undergraduation per annum we can say like 40,000 AED to 50,000 AED. In Indian rupees somewhat comes to 6 lakh to 7 lakhs. And for post-graduation, 52,800 AED to 84,000 AED. Means like 8 lakhs to 13 lakhs. Next, what are the career opportunities? How much salary you can avail in Dubai? Students are allowed to work an internship after getting permission from their university. Some universities have placement offices in Dubai that helps the students to find the internships. The salary received while working can be ranged between 36,000 to 8,10,000. 80,000, sorry. It's depending upon the field of study you will receive. So, we advise is actually conducting a virtual Dubai and International Admission Day on 12th December, that's on tomorrow at 3 to 6 p.m. Several universities are participating with us. Some of them are IUBH University of Applied Sciences, Lyon and École de Casse, Monash Business School, Harriet Watt University, HTMI Hotel and Tourism Management Institute, University of Wollongong, European University, University of Birmingham in Dubai, NABA, Swiss Education Group. Students can join with the section and directly have a session with the university delegate. You can either register for our event through our website, and you can also call to the toll-free number 1800-1020-336. You can either WhatsApp also. So any of the queries the students have, you can directly contact any of the branches of the advice. We will give a timely response to you. Hope you got an idea about Dubai city. You can, if you have any queries, please do reach out our advice branches. We will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching this live session. We'll be back with another live on tomorrow. Bye.